We're finding old stumps and even fallen over ones. I think this one might have been hit by lightning, but the roots were still in the ground getting nutrients and feeding it. And I found a bunch of these are fir trees. Found the roots just crazy with pitch, so I'm cutting chunks out of there. And this is a pretty old tree trunk. Dig down into the roots. I'm finding really nice pitchy fatwood. In case you don't have pine trees in your area. Okay, why is that? Why is that so hard when all of that is rotten? That's your first tip or hint that trunk or that tree stump and root could be worth digging up. Cut that off, you have tons of fires for your camping outfit. And I'm out here harvesting it for quick fire, our new quick fire starter kit.